Let's stake some BNB to mint stkBNB. The first step to getting started is to set up your wallet, MetaMask or similar, with BNB tokens and make sure it's connected to the Binance Smart Chain network. This will allow you to connect to the PSTAKE app interface. Step 1. Navigate to the PSTAKE-BNB app. Step 2. Stake your BNB. Once you're on the staking page, click on the Stake tab and enter the amount of BNB you want to liquid stake. Next, select Stake at the bottom and confirm the transaction in your wallet. Step 3. Receive minted stkBNB. After the transaction confirms, the PSTAKE protocol will issue stkBNB into your wallet based on the current exchange rate, viewable in the Stake tab. Congratulations! You've now successfully liquid staked your BNB on PSTAKE. Using stkBNB in DeFi. Step 1. Navigate to the Binance Smart Chain DeFi page on PSTAKE. Step 2. Import stkBNB into your wallet. Check I understand on the bottom left of the pop-up screen and click Continue. Step 3. Approve stkBNB. Step 4. Provide liquidity. Enter the amount of stkBNB and BNB you want to provide liquidity with. Step 5. Confirm supply. Double check to ensure the transaction details are correct, then click Confirm supply. You're all done and are now successfully engaging in the Binance Smart Chain DeFi through our BNB liquid staking solution. Enjoy the additional yield. Step 1. Find the stkBNB/BNB farm. To get started, navigate to the Earn tab and click Farm. Locate the stkBNB/BNB farm. Expand the selection by clicking the down arrow, then select Enable and confirm the transaction to proceed. Step 2. Stake LP tokens. Click the Stake LP button and enter the amount of LP tokens you want to stake. Then click Confirm to proceed with processing the transaction in your wallet. Remember that if you haven't completed the previous step to provide liquidity, you can also obtain stkBNB/BNB LP tokens from this interface. That's it. You're all set. You're now farming your LP tokens and earning cake rewards in the process. Swap. If you're looking to exit your stkBNB position, you can easily swap your tokens for BNB within the stkBNB/BNB pool on PancakeSwap. Swap stkBNB for BNB. Input the number of BNB you want to trade for stkBNB, or vice versa. Next, click Swap. Reconfirm the amounts you want to trade in the pop-up window, then click Confirm Swap. Once the transaction is fully processed, your swap will be confirmed and your new token balance will appear in your wallet. Syrup pool staking. In PancakeSwap's Syrup pool, users can deposit cake tokens to earn PSTAKE as rewards. Simply select the Earn tab, then click Pools, and find the PSTAKE pool to get started. Click Enable to confirm the transaction. hit stake and enter the amount of cake you want to stake. Once you click confirm, the transaction will process and you'll begin accruing PSTAKE rewards. Users can leverage yield farm on PancakeSwap's stkBNB-BNB pool through Alpaca Finance's interface, allowing them to maximize their yields and earn additional rewards in the process. Once you're on the Alpaca Finance platform, click the Farm tab on the left. Select the stkBNB/BNB pool and click Farm to proceed. When prompted, choose your preferred wallet and select Farm again. Add your desired amount of BNB and stkBNB, single asset or both. Enter the amount of desired leverage, up to 4x for this pool. Then choose the asset you want to borrow. Scroll down the entire page and check/confirm all transaction and position details. Next, approve and confirm the transaction. After the transaction process, you'll now be redirected back to your portfolio page on Alpaca Finance. Here, you can view or adjust your leverage or close your position size at any time. Please remember that whenever using leverage, you keep any potential liquidation risk in mind.